Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to keyframe in Filmora. Keyframing in Filmora allows you to create custom animations by setting specific values at different points in your video. So here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First of all, open the Filmora application on your mobile device. Make sure that you've updated your Filmora app to the latest version as well. Once you get to the home page, click on New Project. Select a video clip or your image you want to animate. I'm just going to select an image from my camera roll. After you choose an image or video clip, click on Import. Now, select the video clip from the timeline by simply tapping on it. Once you select the video clip, you will notice a diamond-like icon at the top right. Tap on it in order to select a point on the clip. Now, go ahead and select another point from the clip using a little bar on the screen and tap on the diamond icon once again. You will be able to see that there are two different key points on your timeline. Now, adjust the properties, example position, scale, rotation, and much more on the screen. Get to the specific area and play around with your video. Use pinch in and zoom in gesture with the help of your finger. After you go ahead and do it, you will be able to see that there are a couple of different key points generated on your timeline. Now let's go ahead and play the video by tapping on the play button. You will be able to see that you have successfully created an animation. Add more keyframes as needed to refine your animation. Once you are done, click on the export button at the top right corner to export your video. So that way, you can easily add keyframe in Filmora using your mobile device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.